Canadian Solar continues to innovate to reduce the cost and increase the output of solar power. Our BiKu modules, which build upon the innovations of our Ku modules, add bifaciality to reduce the levelized cost of electricity of utility-scale solar power plants by 11.7% or more compared to standard mono-PERC modules. Bifacial literally means two faces. Bifacial modules are special glass-on-glass Ku modules, which are able to generate energy from the rear side as well as the front. In normal operation, some solar energy reflects off the ground and the mounting equipment and is reflected onto the rear side of the module. With standard modules, that energy is wasted. With bifacial modules, that energy is captured and converted to electricity. Our BiKu modules are optimized for rear side production with the junction box centered lengthwise to not shade the cells. BiKu modules also feature an optimized frame, back layer, and wire management to maximize the module's output. These enhancements give BiKu modules one of the highest bifaciality rates available. This is especially important when used with single-axis trackers mounting one module in portrait. BiKu's tracker-friendly optimized module design minimizes shading from the tracker's torque tube. How much additional energy gain do you get with BiKu bifacial modules? It depends on many factors, including the array width and height, row spacing, shading, and especially the albedo or reflectivity of the ground. Our testing shows that bifacial gain can be anywhere between 5 to 20% or even more. Let's look at a side-by-side comparison. We have a 6 megawatt DC site in Bakersfield, California, where the ground surface is dry soil with an albedo of 30%. The modules are mounted on a single-axis tracker in a single row, portrait orientation. The array height is 1.5 meters, which better captures diffuse irradiation and results in higher bifacial gain. The ground coverage ratio is 40%. With our competitors' 360-watt full-cell mono-PERC modules, the array generates 11,978,000 kilowatt-hours of energy over the course of a year. With our BiKu bifacial modules, the array generates 12,992,000 kilowatt-hours over the course of the year. That's an energy gain of 8.5%. Furthermore, BiKu modules are warranted for 30 years rather than the standard 25 years and feature a lower degradation rate. That means that BiKu modules deliver 20% more lifetime energy yield. Factoring in the lower annual degradation and the 5 years additional warranty, even with the price premium, BiKu modules still generate 11.7% lower levelized cost of electricity. Furthermore, because BiKu modules are durable double glass modules, they have lower risk of microcracking, making these modules more reliable than standard backsheet modules. No manufacturer has delivered and deployed more bifacial modules than Canadian Solar. We have our modules in operation at 7 test sites around the world, including 2 U.S. national laboratories, NREL and Sandia. Researchers are collecting data on the real-world performance of our BiKu bifacial modules. Using this data, we will be consistently enhancing and validating the performance modeling of our BiKu modules to give you the highest confidence in your investment in Canadian Solar's products and services. We look forward to talking to you about how we can make the difference on your next solar project.